So my role traditionally has been solution designer and architect on the CRM space. And I started working on the Salesforce side when we realized the need to do the integration with our other legacy applications like getting data from Siebel or from MDM. And that's when we started looking at the Informatica Cloud. So when I talked to Ajay, basically, Ajay mentioned that Informatica Cloud is an application that is available for us. Why don't you take a look at it? And when I looked at it, uh, I got fascinated by it, and so I tried to do the proof of concept with that product. And within 2 days, I was able to actually load the products from our product management system into Informatica. And with me, if I can do without any experience with the Informatica in 2 days, anybody else can do it. So that's a great experience.
Okay, so with respect to cloud integration, one of the use cases for us was we actually moved into Salesforce for one of our services for consumer-based products. We could actually have chosen to do on-premise and use a connector to connect to Salesforce to download it, but it would have taken us almost X amount of months to do the mappings, configure it, have developers write it, and that's where Informatica Cloud comes in, which helps us just choose the objects and replicate it immediately. So the time to market, time to actually code and deploy it was like just weeks rather than months. There's always this control in IT versus business. What we have traditionally done is that if a business needs to do it, and if that's a high priority for them, we allow them to do it. But the management and the support happens in the IT so that they don't have to worry about doing it. And that's the handshake we do. For this use case that we had for business to business, it was all happening in IT. It was an integration between Siebel and Salesforce, and our traditional usage of Informatica was mostly for BI, but now it's expanded the use of not just BI, but also how do you integrate applications between the cloud and the on-premise.
So to add on to that, from Intuit Enterprise perspective, a lot of applications are actually moving towards a cloud. And I think where we could use Informatica Cloud is basically integrate these different cloud applications using Informatica Cloud. And Informatica is providing connectors for most of the cloud apps. So I think it's a great value for Intuit to leverage that integration platform that Informatica Cloud provides.